Earning estimation. In this chapter, we would understand that using drone services are not beneficial to the farmers alone. Scheduling drone spraying services hold excellent earning potential for our Kisan Sathis as well. On an average, each farmer spends 600 rupees per acre for drone spraying service. A Kisan Sathi can earn 50 rupees per acre by scheduling drone spraying service. That is, a Kisan Sathi can easily earn 250 rupees by scheduling drone spraying service for a farm as small as 5 acres. Drone spraying service has huge potential. According to recent research, the Indian drone market within agriculture would grow at 38.5% year-on-year and reach 1,000 crores rupees by 2030.